Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. So today is Saturday the 14th of March and I'm just gonna get my room cleaned up, so stay tuned. What going on inside the kitchen? So I'm just gonna wash up some dishes. These wash already. So I'm just gonna pull these bottles up. In case water is out. So I prepare some sorrel. I prepared some sorrel from last night. And this is what it's looking like. So I'm just gonna strain it off now. Remember when you broke up the fan off poopy. Carry to poopy and after me, baby. Press this aside. Cover it back.
Mommy.
Yes. What you want? Just wait. My break the glass, Adriana. Go on the bed or sit on the chair or something.
Oh, we can find barbecue. Why are you turning your head upside down?
Okay.
When you turn the oil, I will this. We need the water protected. No, not that way. That ugly root stops. We have our own boat.